Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Instellar Bike Rear Rack Bag, an 8-liter large-capacity waterproof storage solution perfect for both road and mountain bikes. Crafted from high-quality PU leather and polyester, this bag ensures your belongings stay dry and protected from rain during your rides. With its generous capacity, you can easily store extra clothing, a bike pump, snacks, and spare tubes, making it ideal for long journeys. The bag is lightweight and compact, allowing it to transition seamlessly into a handbag or chest bag, so you can carry your essentials wherever you go. Installation is a breeze with 2 fixed buckles and adjustable Velcro straps that securely attach the bag to your bike's rear frame, preventing any sliding during your cycling adventures. Its multi-functional design makes it perfect for storing tools, tire repair kits, and more, and it can even be used as a motorcycle, dirt bike, or scooter bag. Enhance your cycling experience with this versatile and practical bike rear rack bag, designed to meet all your storage needs on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.